Hi, my name's Tom and I have a carpentry business based on the Central Coast of New South Wales. When I first started with the Game Changers, we were a two-person business. We were doing approximately $350,000 a year and everything was in a shambles. I was doing 60 to 70 hour weeks. I was working exceptionally hard, not spending any time with my family, not doing the things that really were important to me. So after the first 12 months in the Opulence Program, my business had tripled in size. I had 6 staff. Our revenue had doubled. My personal income had gone up by about 50%, and I had control within my business. I had systems that were operating. I had team members doing tasks regularly for me. We had measurable KPIs. We had ongoing targets, and there was structure and consistency, and I had my time back. I had my freedom back, and that was the biggest gift that the Opulence Program gave me, and it's something that I'll never take for granted going forward.